We're in the office where they changed the wainscoting paneling to the shadow boxing. So this is what it's looking like here. General rule of thumb on the shadow boxing is roughly 18-inch boxes with 9 inches in between, and you try to keep the ends similar widths on the ends. The problem is that it doesn't always fit mathematically in the wall. And what happens in a situation like this over here, where the span of this portion of the wall doesn't work mathematically with the layout of the boxes. So what happens to fix that problem is you end up with a leftover amount, which would be this and this minus the 6 inches on, the 3 inches on either end combined. So I centered it there, and I started with the 18-inch box, and then what I was left over with on either side determined the size of the boxes. And because it's centered, you're left with the same on both sides. So this is an 18-inch box, and this is a 20-inch box. And that's how you deal with that. Same with these situations like this. You just use the 3-inch rule of thumb, and whatever's left determines your box width in the spots where either it's only getting 1 panel, or even if it was getting 2 panels, you would do the same thing. But they're there again. So however it works out mathematically is how you determine the size of your boxes. But generally you go with the rule of thumb of the 18-inch box with 9-inch spaces in between them. We're waiting for this wall. They're going to be removing sockets here. So until that's done and they get patched, I really can't do any of the shadow boxing.